Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some major industries of the world. Iron and steel industry, textile industry, and information technology are the major industries of the world. So today, first of all, we will discuss iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is the backbone of modern civilization because it provides industrial base or the manufacturing of many other industrial products. That's why it is also known as basic industry. Already we have discussed which industry is known as basic industry, that is iron and steel industry. My dear student, it is estimated that 65% machines and utensils are made of steel. That's why we are saying it is the backbone of modern civilization. The first modern iron and steel industry was established in 1907. That is Tata Iron and Steel Company. In short, we can say TISCO. TISCO was set up in 1907 at Sakchi, Jamshedpur, now in Jharkhand state. The place where the Tata Iron and Steel industry was set up at Sakchi. Now Sakchi is known as Jamshedpur. Beside TISCO at Jamshedpur, the other important steel manufacturing center are Indian Iron and Steel Company at Banpur in West Bengal. Indian Iron and Steel Company is also known as ISCO. 3 steel plants in the public sector are at Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, Rourkela in Odisha, and Durgapur in West Bengal. These are under the management of Steel Authority of India Limited, an undertaking of the government. My dear students, at present, India has 10 major integrated steel plants and 180 minor steel plants spread all over the country. In India, number of major and minor steel plants are located, and especially the particular place we are talking, particular physical features, that is peninsular India, where the major and minor steel plants are located. Peninsular India. Why? Why number of industries are located in peninsular India? Because large reserves of iron ore, coal and limestone. That's why Peninsular Plateau is also known as storehouse of minerals. The other favorable factors which are available in peninsular India are, as I told you, availability of raw material, then thermal power, cheap labor, and proximity to the big market. So because of these factors make peninsular India an ideal region for the concentration of large number of iron and steel industry. Keep in mind, peninsular India, it is also known as storehouse of minerals because number of minerals are found in peninsular plateau, and that is the main reason number of different industries are located in peninsular plateau. Now, I will give you some information about the Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO. As I told you, the Tata Iron and Steel Company was established in 1907 by Sir Jamshedji Tata. The full name of Sir Jamshedji Tata was late Jamshedji Nusanbanji Tata. It is located in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand state. Sakshi, where Tata Iron Steel Company was located. It is located in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand state. So many factors are there in Jamshedpur. That is the reason Tata Iron Steel Company was located at Jamshedpur. The first favorable factor is this city enjoy advantageous location as it is surrounded by beautiful Dharma hills of the Chota Nagpur Plateau and Subarnarekha and Kharkai rivers. Means availability of water from Subarnarekha and Kharkai river. The next factor, these areas surrounding Jamshedpur are rich in minerals. Rich in minerals means availability of raw material like coking coal from Jharia, iron ore, limestone and manganese from Jamadoba, Naumudi and West Bokaro. As well as it has its own thermal electricity plant, and this region is served by good road rail network, means availability of good transport facilities also, and is within easy reach to Kolkata port. Now, my dear students, Jamshedpur is also known as industrial city. What do you mean by the industrial city or industrial region? Industrial city or industrial region where number of industries are located at one place. So, Jamshedpur now serves as a major industrial city with a large range of industries located here. What type of industries are located? Like truck manufacturing, tin plates, iron sheets, locomotives, rails, wheels and sleepers for railways. That is all about iron and steel industry. Thank you and have a nice day.